Hello everyone! This is Rai and welcome back to Rice Bake. So for today's vlog, samahan ninyo akong gawin yung aking sunflower cake. Kung natatandaan nyo, gumawa na rin ako ng number 6 cake na may sunflower na design. Lalagay ko sa taas yung link para mapanood nyo yung vlog na yon. And medyo magkaiba lang yung way ng pag-design ko kasi this cake is a full buttercream. And then yung una kong ginawang sunflower is sunflower na fondant. So, merong tutorial doon kung paano gumawa ng sunflower na fondant. So, since it's a round cake, gagawin kong parang basket-like yung pinaka-design ng cake. And then, may mga sunflower sa taas and sa gilid ng cake. Ang pinaka-flavor ng cake na to is red velvet with cream cheese frosting. So, before we start our baking today, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe now and please don't forget to click the notification bell to notify you on my new upload videos. So, what are we waiting for? Without further ado, let's get started. Let's pour our whipping cream frosting. For this recipe, I used 400 grams of whipping cream frosting. Let's add our icing sugar. For this recipe, I added 100 grams of icing sugar. You can add more icing sugar if you want sweeter cream cheese frosting. Let's get our cream cheese. Make sure our cream cheese is in room temperature. Make sure na yung ating cream cheese is soft and blendable para madali siyang i-mix sa ating whipping cream frosting later. I added 20 grams of icing sugar. And then mix it well. After that, we can now add our whipping cream frosting. By the way, etong ginagawa kong cream cheese frosting is only for our filling para sa ating red velvet cake. And for the design and for the cover of our cake, I just use plain or vanilla whipping cream frosting. Let's assemble our cake. Let's cut our cake into two. I used two 6x6 round pan for this cake. Generously add sugar syrup in each layers of our red velvet chiffon cake to keep it moist. Let's add our cream cheese frosting. Make sure na evenly spread ang ating cream cheese frosting sa ating cake para maging level and straight ang ating cake. Repeat lang natin yung paglagay ng chiffon cake and then yung ating cream cheese frosting until ma-build na natin yung ating cake. Our cake now is ready for crumb coating. Just add 18 amount of whipping cream frosting. I used the vanilla whipping cream frosting. Ginagawa natin to para malak yung mga crumbs ng cake. Once it's fully covered, we can now refrigerate our cake for 1 to 2 hours and then we can now design our cake. Let's design our cake basket. Ginawa ko lang to repeatedly hanggang sa ma-fully cover ang aking cake. Let's design our cake with sunflower, but first, let's color our whipping cream frosting. For sunflower, I used yellow and brown food color. And for our leaves, I color my whipping cream frosting into a light green color. I pipe sunflower petals around the mark na ginawa ko using the round cookie cutter. I added few sunflowers sa bottom ng aking cake for for additional decoration, I added leaves sa sides ng ating sunflowers and around our basket. Now, my sunflower cake is ready. I hope you enjoyed my video and I hope you learned something new today. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It's Rice Bakes.